What is up, everybody? Mr. Dub here, Bay State Breakers. Hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful day so far, or a night as it is right now. And, well, it is that time of the month again. My favorite time of the month. Rookie card explosion box time. Limited batch, volume 10 by Philmington. And this is the only subscription box I do at the moment. I'm contemplating joining the Brothers in Cards one, but this is one I plan on sticking with to the very end. So Philmington, don't stop. So let's jump into here. Hopefully we can get something great, and we can beat out Mr. Bowman 51 with his great pulls that he got this month. All right, we'll go over the list in a second. Let's just get all the stuff, all the packs out. Peanuts. Something in there. Right. Put that back there. All right. We got our little list. This month's packs. We got 82 Donruss, 86 O-Pee-Chee, 93 Topps Series 1. 2010 Topps Update, 15 Topps Update, 16 Bowman, 16 Topps Chrome. The one retail is 18 Chrome from Topps. We have 18 Topps Heritage High Number, 18 Topps Update, 19 Heritage Minor League, and 19 Series 2. All right, I'm going to do it like I have been in the past. Start at the oldest, work my way up to the newest. So, got the 82 Donruss. We are looking for Cal Ripken and Lee Smith. All right. Let's see what we got here. Puzzle piece. Jackson Todd, Mickey Rivers, Robert Castillo, Dale Berra. I like those old school Pirates uniforms. Rick Bassetti, Mike Lacoste. There we go. Diamond Kings, Dwight Evans. Put that one aside. Steve Trout, Ed Whitson, Terry Francona, there you go. I like former Red Sox manager. He's with the, who's he with? The Indians right now. Gary Matthews, Darryl Jackson, Jose Cruz, Mean Mugging somebody over there. Does not look happy. Charlie Howe. Oh, there we go. There we go. Lee Smith. Another 2 hits. Very nice. Put that off to the side. All right. Next up, 86. This is the Topps, right? No, this is O-Pee-Chee. All right, top 86 O-Pee-Chee. I don't think I've ever opened this. I ripped open a whole box of 86 Topps. I went hunting for the Nolan Ryan, so I can get that graded. So we have Glenn Wilson. Who are we looking for in there? Oh yeah, there's no notable rookies in this one. But we have Mike Schmidt. Decent player. Dale Berra. We have a Jim Gott. Tim Hullett. Bill Doran. Frank Viola. Good player at the time. And Alvin Davis. Luckily, my gum is stuck to the back of a non-notable player, but probably just like this. Look at that. Come on, Bowman. That was easy. Look at that. Look at that. All right, next up we have 93 Topps Series 1. Obviously, we're looking for Jeter. And the gold Jeter would be awesome as well. I believe someone pulled it last time we had these. Just got it back at a PSA 10. That is awesome. Congratulations. If I can remember your name off the top of the head, I would say it, but I do not remember it. I'm sorry. But we have a Pat Kelly. Here's my gold. Okay. Thomas Howard. Jack McDowell. Raffy Palmeiro, Scott Ruskin, Doug Drabeck, Danny Tartable. We have Bobby Bonilla, who I believe the Mets are still paying to this day. Dan Pasqua, Steve Wilson, Rich DeLucia, Spike Owen. I always thought he had the coolest name when I was growing up. Whenever I'd open up cards and find him, just thought Spike was like the coolest name ever for some reason. Buddy Groom, Brent Main, and Doug DeCenzo. So nothing there. Strike out on the Jeter. Hopefully someone gets one. That'd be nice. All right. So we have the 2010 Topps update. This we are looking for Giancarlo, a.k.a. Mike Stanton, Josh Donaldson, Lorenzo Cain, and Carlos Santana. All right. So we got Danny Valencia, Andrew Kashner, Ryan Theriot, Christian Guzman, Sean Marshall, Jason Hayward, Matt Capps, and we have a gold of, what was that? Ike Davis. That would be numbered, I believe. Yep, 1792 out of 2010. Here, he can sit back there with his other Mets. Then we have George Sisler, St. Louis Browns. Vintage Legends. And then the insert of David Price, who, for the love of God, hopefully the Red Sox can manage to get rid of. All right, we have 15 update. We're looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Gallo, Buxton, Syndergaard, Rosario, Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham, and Matt Boyd. And Kendrys Morales, Miguel Montero. We got Brandon Crawford, Jeremy Jeffries. So we got gold here of Nolan Arenado. Not a bad name to get. And those are, no, that is numbered. 647 out of 215. We'll put that in the hits pile. Chris Coldabello. Couldn't tell you who the hell he is. High voltage battery. Giants batteryman rake on offense. Then we have Manny Machado, All-Star Game. Glenn Perkins, All-Star Game. And the future stars of, oh, Jesus, Samir, Dispian, I don't know. Not a clue. It's going to get butchered no matter how many times I say it. I will never get that correct. All right, we have 16 Bowman. We are looking for prospects. Guerrero Jr., Tatis, Bregman, Moncada, Robles, Contreras, DeYoung, Mancini, Clevenger, and then autos of Bregman, Moncada, Robles, Contreras, DeYoung, Tyler O'Neill. There we go, right off the bat, Trout. Can't go wrong with a Trout, even if it's a base. So, hit pile. Evan Gattis. Chrome of Chance Cisco, Mike Nicorak, Blandino, Kaminsky, 93, Bowman Scouts Top 100. Wander Javier, not the Wander I want. Anderson Espinoza, Prince Fielder, and then Dustin Pedroia, who also I hope the Red Sox part ways with. He's a little annoying at this point. 16 Topps Chrome. We have, let's see, Seager, Story, Turner, Marte, Mondesi, Kepler, Snell. And then autos of all of them plus more. All right. So, let's see if we need this. All right, let's go. D. Gordon. There we go. Trout. Never go wrong with Trout again. So guess what? Hit pile. Russell Martin. And future stars of Young Ho Kang. All right. Let's see here. 18 chrome. We have Acuna, Otani, Torres, Devers, Albies, Bueller, Robles, and Hoskins. And autos of them plus more. So, Beltre. Rookie card of Eric Fede. Rookie card of Willie Calhoun. And a Chris Davis. All right. Let's go heritage high number. Heritage high number, we have Acuna, Soto, Otani, Torres, Devers, lots of different action variations, and autos of all those guys as well. All right, ready? Francisco Liriano. We have a Guzman, John Axford, Brock Holt. Mug of the camera. Oh, look at that. We have an auto. Freddie Patek, shortstop, red auto, 36 out of 69. Wow, wasn't expecting that. That's an old school guy. That's pretty cool. Sweet. CJ Cron, Teoscar Hernandez, Trace Thompson, and Richard Bleer. I don't think I've ever hit one of those before. All right. Everyone's favorite right now, 18 update. Do we even need to go over it? We will. All right. Update. Acuna, Soto, Otani, Torres, Austin Meadows, Soroka. All types of image variations. All right. We have a rookie of Gerson Bautista. Jeremy Hellickson. Emanea, no hits, Red Sox. Boo. Roberto Osuna, Brandon McCarthy, there you go, a Soto insert, rookie, hit pile that goes. Then we have a Paxton throws a no-no, Isaiah Kinnear Falefa, rookie, Chris Archer, and end it with Joe Jimenez. All right, last two packs coming up here. 19, Series 2. We have Alonso, Tatis, Jimenez, and Vlad Guerrero. The big four, we'll call them. All right, or we call them the big three in Eloy. So you have Robert Stock, rookie. Tommy Hunter, Taylor Ward, rookie. Chris Archer, Steve Cishek, if I'm pronouncing that right, Chris Davis. You have the 150 years variation of Buck Farmer, Kevin Kramer, rookie, Mike Matuk, Will Myers. That guy fell off the planet, huh? Hunter Dozier, Kenta Maeda, Adam Simber, and end it on a San Diego Sluggers. All right. Coming down to the last pack. 19 Heritage Minor League. And here we have Wander Franco, Jordan Alvarez. We have Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Seth Beer, Luis Robert, Jared Klinick. We have variations and short prints of all those guys, plus more. Same thing with autos. So, start with the Tyler Freeman, Ian Anderson, yeah, right, Ian, yep, Ian Anderson, and Keston Hiura, Sporting News insert, and Joe Adell, he's supposed to be pretty good, supposedly, Logan Gilbert. I love the team names of these minor league guys, the Nuts, and then we get Adonis Medina from the Reading Fighting Phils. There we go. Julio, see one of the names I said, right? No, Rodriguez. Julio Martinez of the Wood Ducks. Yeah, there we go. Luis Robert, one of the names we want. From the Barons. Chicago White Sox stud. There you go. All right, let's do the hit recap. So, we got, first off the bat, got my Diamond Kings, Dwight Evans. Then we also got the Lee Smith rookie. We got the gold Nolan Arenado, number 2015. We got Mike Trout, base, regardless, hit. Another Mike Trout base, hit. Then we got the Freddie Paddock Heritage Auto, red, 36 out of 69. We got the Juan Soto rookie, 35th anniversary. And then we got the Luis Robert from minor leagues. So all in all, we did pretty decent, I think. Nothing humongous, but still, all in all, great hits. I'm not complaining whatsoever. Once again, shout out to Philmington. Thanks again for putting together an awesome product. Look forward to next month already. Hope everyone else who gets their boxes does pretty well as well, or kills it even better than me. And for all you guys watching, thank you for watching, and appreciate it if you subscribe, if you do, and hit that like button. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and keep on collecting. Peace. Bye.